In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a plate light assembly on a Nissan Frontier, located in the rear step bumper. So from under the vehicle, behind the bumper, you're going to see this wire come out, same on both sides, driver or passenger side for the plate light. And this one has a little tab. We're going to just pull this down, squeeze it with a pair of pliers and pull it up. That way we can see it easier and work on it. Now there's a little screwdriver tab, like a flat tab. Now if this was a nut filled with sand, like you can see coming out, you just need to push on that and pull. But because it's filled with sand, we're going to push in with a screwdriver and try to work this back and forth. It might take a little effort. There we go. Now we're going to go to the outside of the bumper and take the lens off. So here is our new lens cover, and this is what it looks like. Ours is missing, that's why we're replacing it. Now I want to flip it over so you can see the tabs. This is a movable tab right here, so we're going to push in on that. This is a solid plastic hook, so we're not going to mess with that side. So with a flathead screwdriver or a trim tool, we're going to push in like this and just pry it right out. Now we can pull that whole thing out because we already disconnected it, and we can throw it away. So here is our new harness with a bulb. We're going to put it in the actual light. Put it in, turn it counterclockwise to feel it walk. Feed that wire right through. Remember to put the back hook on first, then just push it in, and it'll click. Now that we're back underneath, we're going to connect our plate light assembly to the harness, line up those connectors, and push till it clicks. And then we'll push it right back through that little tab, and we're good to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.